Blood in the building, Ogbolor, and also our own person, Teemanay.
So,
Teemanay, that video we watch now. Tell us about that song. Where you shoot that video? Is it for South Africa? But why is it for why not come go car park for South Africa? If I can't shoot that for them, come go South Africa, don't go car park.
I know.
You know, say
no,
when you don't do this,
that's how they think. That's how they shoot.
It
be like say that South Africa is the wound Nigeria.
Xenophobia.
No, go for
No.
They don't see us.
They don't see us. You know, say at night, man, I go throw fire.
no, but I don't think so. Teemanay is somebody that is very cool and calm and calculated.
Not be by
So,
Not be by Camo.
Not by Camo.
Yes.
Not by Camo.
South Africa, they don't want to say that period. They don't want to say, as far as you are Nigerian,
they will follow you with
Hosa.
Now tell us about that song and where you shoot the video.
Okay, well, that song.
Car park.
The title of that song na gra gra, no be car park. First of all, the title na gra gra. You understand? And I feature one of our fellow Nigerian South African based artist, Kubinero. And I be the other guy where you see where they jump like monkey for the video. So the video we shoot on for somewhere called Rambeg for Johannesburg. You know, say
Rambeg.
Rambeg.
Just
now you don't say sound like them.
That place.
Yes. If your branch go front, it's not where woman is saying.
Hey, what's going?
Rambeg.
We know that.
You know, say
one
when they say this is
well, no.
Wow.
Very Rambeg
Food
place.
sweet.
you know, say we dey call am Rambeg. Now all the South African people Rambeg.
No, Rambeg.
And like Joburg.
No, but we you know, say me and Ogbolor don't stay there long.
Yeah, for a long time. You know, that's why we started from the streets.
We started from the street.
We started from the bottom. Now
You know what I mean, man?
For Rambeg.
Anyone, beg. Joe beg, Rambeg. Na beg, we dey call am. So. Actually, we just decided to shoot the video for that location because the code that period no be yellow. But say we shoot them for outside, but they do not do gra for me. The song was spoiled. So we hide for basement because of the weather. We even when I know Sisha behind the scene, they even put those electric heat.
So that
electric heaters.
they one more now.
Now winter period, then we shoot them. So gra just the it's just like advice. We just the advice people say, waiting the song they talk about. They say you don't blow, no mean say you can't carry body because everybody go blow.
Our phone number is there on top of our TV. Make una begin to call us now today for talk. I chook on a mouth on top everything that happen for the night show for today. Now, if blessing in South Africa, you dey stay.
Yes.
What you call carry you come Nigeria now?
I be Niger boy now.
So what you carry you go South Africa? So
first of all, what you carry you go there na hostel?
Hostel.
Now the same hostel carry you come back.
So what do they sell for there?
No, I know this. My hostel no be buying and selling.
So what in
music now?
Music. My brother, we know what some people they do.
Some people, no, I don't say what talking about. Some people that they are service boys.
Yeah, my brother! My brother!
They don't give. Because South Africa, they don't know.
All those costumes.
Oh, no, so.
My brother, if you go to South Africa, those girls na costume then get.
That day. After they don't crossroad finish, some things are still crossing.
They say for South Africa, say because when me and Ogbolor go there, it don't happen like that.
It was mild.
It was mild
and hidden.
They hide them.
Now we come now.
They say now, girls they pursue now. Hey, you're from Nigeria. Oh, I followed you.
Yeah.
But we do wahala now. Don't be small, as in
But that's not wahala now. That's a welcome development.
My sister, not be saying wahala like that, but you know, say when something too good, you can't.
Okay, too much ice cream, they rub it.
If you be Nigerian boy now, you can't get swag, you can't fresh like they do like Ogbolor. Your own don't finish. Even South African girls now, when they see you, they go the one day they'll say alpha. You know, they want enter the pigeon. They don't the Wazobia they go now. Alpha. I do.
Now, what in there about Nigerians where they sweet South African girls?
I talk that one for you. I know you talk that one.
You know, say they establish said that market. No, I know we say that the waiting that the
Now, what make you enter music as how long? Before you take that call, before you answer that question, Ismaila.
Yes, sir.
How far?
I do.
How is you?
Are they good or
How that country will not dey? Did you not be Lagos?
It is snow for there. Ask someone that is snow for there.
It is snow dey fall here.
Well, I check off you here when I want for now.
Not close to hear you.
All right, Sha, but seriously, ma.
Yeah.
Me, I want to talk about something. You see that video on our first show, ma?
That
That guy get future ambition.
That guy, the artist, not tryable.
No.
My brother.
Because that guy really see. When I
encourage him.
I know the artist.
They are the future of this country. Encourage him.
Some people need encouragement. Some people need discouragement. That guy
This one, that discouragement.
That guy, see, his future, he no get career for music industry. Because for her to carry money, go studio,
Only him for the
sing
video.
song.
The producer, the producer.
Time, sit down, produce, shoot video. That una, Wazobia, to carry a mumu.
Who the heck encourage him? Made in Nigeria products.
It's made in Nigeria.
God bless you.
See, naturally, we Nigerians, we are mumu them born inside us. You understand the package, man? They are born mumu inside every Nigerian person. If you know mumu, you know the Nigerian person. At all.
So you the mumu now?
So you are a mumu.
You are a mumu now?
Capital letter
All
mumu.
those things they do. You see, now they didn't have the point hand for television. They do with your cap like person way, why no computer.
Bye, Ismaila.
They go.
On Sunday, Ismaila, come Ogbolor show.
God win from Owerri. Good evening, Biko.
Owerri.
Ledu.
How is he?
Yeah, how na dey?
We dey fine.
Ledu, where you go yesterday? Tell me.
Ledu, where you go yesterday?
Wait, na Ledu.
Wait, Ledu.
Ledu, wait.
Ledu, wait.
Ledu, wait. I get the further thing I want to tell you. You can hear me?
Oh, yeah, talk.
You can hear me?
Talk.
Now I greet you beat first. I beg.
Yeah, I hear you got good evening.
You did it.
Yeah?
I don't know say they dance like this. So.
Oh, Baba, thank you. Our
I
talent.
enjoy that dance. I enjoy that dance.
Our talent, thank you.
Maybe they hear me. Now me be that person where the three sisters won't marry Igbo. Now me be that guy from Owerri.
From Owerri.
So
Is it
my
wrong?
three sisters, they are here now. They want to talk to Igbo.
Oh, yeah, talk. Give them one by one.
I want to give one to
You are
the first person.
Oh, yeah, one by one.
D.E.D. dead. Enter Lagos on Friday.
Wait. Talk now.
Talk now.
Please, I come for the show.
You and your sisters.
Oh, yeah, give me second person phone.
I want greet someone now.
Alpha. Ogbolor.
That's a good draw.
Alpha.
How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm doing good.
Oh, well, I like your show. I like everything about you. In fact, you have done too much.
Oh!
Keep it on.
Don't worry. You will have a chance to see Ogbolor from here.
Come on Sunday. Your sisters don't talk finish.
Maybe not 3 don't follow stop now. No.
Bye. From Abuja, good evening.
All of them when they come. Chidi, you only come 5 and 6, so.
Chidi.
Evening.
Chido.
Hello?
Hello.
How am I doing? I beg you. Hello?
Hello.
The shoe where you here now for the shoe I mean for appointment. Ready?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello. It is not the echo.
You think phone? No. You think phone?
Well, mind the echo.
And imagine the guy face, you go say,
I beg, I have tears.
Now, Teemanay, tell us, how long you done do music?
Not long though. Professionally, I start 2014.
2014.
Yes, December. But prior to that, I just the.
You dey do the street things, the things where you service things where you do for them.
But the street keep urging you to do more.
Abi? That's it. Yeta.
You know? Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my brother, Kelechi?
Lady.
Kelechi, you dey come Ogbolor show, abi?
What you talk?
Huh?
See,
From where? Where they come from?
Iju.
Iju
State.
What is Egyptians?
Kelechi.
Yes.
You will come Ogbolor show on Sunday, abi?
Huh?
Bye. Now,
When we call him, he answer, you hear his voice.
No,
No, can't talk Ogbolor show.
he go home. How your music work out for South Africa? How the acceptance for your music day for South Africa?
I'm not gonna lie you, they're very challenging. Honestly, they're quite challenging.
Why? Because not only that they are quite music.
House,
the house
language
music,
barrier, house, their type of music, language barrier as well.
So if you bring South African artists, come,
Mix and
do that thing.
Yeah, I don't do some, but we never drop them.
Okay.
Understand? Because
Don't
we
worry,
need
your
that
challenge
money.
will soon be over. You have come to this show, all your problem will follow you.
Mama will pray for you. Hello, Ekene.
Yeah, and I do.
Ekene, you dey come Ogbolor show? That's the first question we
Now,
ask
wow,
you.
Everly, I go need you.
There is it.
Correct guy.
Nedu apa now.
I dey fine.
Now, wow. I did all of them for the house.
We inhale you.
Oh, not too much, oh.
Thank you.
Ogbolor, you know easy to organize shows, so I will come support you on Sunday.
Oh, shit.
Yo, that is what we're talking about.
That's how we roll.
Like egg roll and buns.
Nedu,
Sir?
on Sunday, me and you go fight.
Why?
I dey tell you what I go do with everybody. Easy beat, I dey hail you.
I hear you
What
too,
do we do
Baba.
now? What I do you now?
Since where I don't know you, that my mind only tell me make I beat you. Because all the old things wey they do for TV, I know they swallow up. On Sunday,
Haters gonna hear you.
Haters gonna hate.
Nice one, bro.
Lay your phone to play.
Support the ministry.
That's a nice one, bro.
Support the ministry.
You know,
Your papa.
no, now the way you just talk, like say now
This one, I
normal
don't
talk.
think to
He
beat
say
you.
my mind don't tell me since make I beat
Make
you.
I
You don't wake up, oh.
How about see?
What you are supposed to do today? Now you're beat me.
He said, since when I know you.
Since when I know you,
Right
down the
down
hungry. So now Sunday, we the final day. You need bouncer.
I go carry bouncers. Form opponent, ain't go follow me. You not fit do anything. Now, Teemanay, may I ask you another question? No, how you fit take compare? Since you don't enter Nigeria now, I see you don't enter Nigeria now. How you go take compare Nigeria and your acceptance for Nigeria industry to South Africa? Or which one did better?
Well, for now, South Africa don't accept
your
me
DJ.
to a certain extent because now there I did since. But you know, they say charity begins at home.
At home, my brother.
That made me come back. So
So can't start the movement again.
How long you don't do? But before you answer that question, I am Deji.
Hello.
How now?
How is you?
We dey fine. How is your ministry?
How you doing?
We hope to see you on Sunday.
Fine now.
You don't know how you doing.
Sunday.
Don't worry, I'll be there.
All right.
Let me ask you guys one question.
Oh yeah, ask.
Where the pack all of you from?
Okay, you think we don't know how to speak English? If you
Nigeria.
want to speak our English here, let me ask all of you one question.
Where the pack all of
Okay.
you?
Where they
Where the
pack?
back all of us from? Come?
Nigeria now.
Make I tell them. They pack all of us from notjustok.com.
I be now. For some people, we know they okay.
As I dey see all of you now, from you to everybody down there, now no well.
My brother, thank God.
It's a compliment.
It's a compliment. Thank you, my brother.
Because if we well, if we no go chop.
hunger go kill us.
We no go chop.
We not go chop. So this no well is our no well. We like it.
Yeah.
No well.
No well.
Hello.
Good evening. How you doing?
Hello.
Mrs. Ebere.
Just keep it up, you guys.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you.
No, maybe for now, we're supposed to say people when you call, greet like comedian greeting.
Yeah, you
So
know.
that we can experience the
no
ginger.
well.
Yes.
Mrs. Ebere.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Mrs. Ebere.
And they do how far?
Wait, first of all, you watch the show from beginning, Abi?
You say, I watch them.
Oh yeah, greet us how comedians go take greet.
You say waiting.
Greet us how comedians take they greet each other.
No, do I say how far? I don't know what you do.
Junk file. Oh yeah, now we they fine.
Katin, how you doing now?
Madam, we there ginger for Sunday. Say you go come Monty Buffet. Ogbolor show on Sunday.
I go come.
And that is it.
Maybe the address.
Mrs. AB,
we address now Monty Buffet for Karimu Ikotun.
You know how to find.
Okay, don't worry. But I go come support you that very day.
Oshe, mama. We dey make now say we get family on Wazobia family.
Where you go yesterday?
Me?
That's the question.
Which go? Are they here now?
Yesterday, now with this gene, where don't
Are they here yesterday?
Help me, The Karishika in his life fall and die, yo.
Easy bit, I beg. Make I greet you. Easy bit, I greet you.
Good evening.
We just say they didn't day. Yesterday, same day.
Hello.
Bye, Mrs. Better go meet your husband.
We go see you on Sunday.
I'm going to give her 2 tickets today.
Okay, now, would I give her 2 tickets? Girls or guys?
We can do 1 couple, 1 single.
1 couple, 1 single. For the next couple we call and the next single we call, now you get the tickets. So whoever first call now for Lagos. But if you there in that place, if you come Lagos for the show,
like Iju
no problem. Like Iju State.
Yeah.
You
know that sometimes it's so snow there, but it's okay. Maybe the snow will not be falling by Sunday.
No, my brother, how many babes you get for South Africa?
Hey, whoa, Ajuju.
Plenty.
Find the shot.
If not carry container.
Amen.
Funny enough, I don't get to.
My brother, you cannot
I don't get right now.
Don't say this.
Wait.
I get before.
I'll start back for my face.
You see Mark for
You see I'll start back for my face.
Look at it. You see Mark.
You see Mark for here?
You see Mark.
You see Mark for that place?
You see Mark for my face.
What's wrong to you? My brother, don't do this thing. Don't be an unrighteous brother.
It's okay. You know what? Just write it down. Write it down.
Just write it down.
No, you don't have to.
It's okay. Just write it. It's all right.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your show. They're about to drop the name number. If you know your tally number and they don't mention that, we're sorry for you. You are just a spare tire on top of the whole thing.
How many songs you get, Teemanay? How many songs you get now? And for those when they say one, you did right?
Not be jam question now. It's not exam. 12. It's not exam.
Don't show them. 17.
I didn't see I'm well. Now 19 right there. Now 19.
That's all.
For those who want to follow you to forget your music, and to download your songs, and to know waiting Monty, I say Monty Buffet.
Now because we go there.
So to know what Teemanay they do, how they go take follow you? Social media handles.
Okay, my social media handle Teemanay, Teemanay. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, everywhere, even for heaven. But no check hello. All of them now Teemanay.
Waiting, which plan? As in waiting day in the works right now. When they be say people suppose they expect from you.
A lot of dancehall.
Okay.
Dancehall.
My brother, for since South Africa now, make them quick collect you quick.
A lot of dancehall.
Now, Ogbolor, one more thing we could talk, ask for the show. Talk about the show. Before we do our general dance, Captain will join for this one.
We still find our couple.
From Port Harcourt, good evening.
Port Harcourt?
Good evening.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Evening. How is you?
I'm fine.
It's fine.
Okay, talk to us. We they hear you.
Hello, Nedu, how is you?
I'm fine, my sister in the Lord, Linda. Linda.
Hello.
Hello, okay.
Hello, babe.
We they hear you.
Nedu, how is you?
Fine.
I like your show.
Okay,
thank you.
We love you.
We love your show too.
Good night.
Good night. Both take us for those who want gift ticket. Thank you very much, Linda. Thank you for you call us.
Thanks.
From Aja, good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Thunder.
Not be thunder, not Tombra.
Tombra, you single, you don't marry.
Nedu, I'm very single.
Oh yeah, you go give you tickets. Congratulations to you.
Yeah,
you go collect tickets for Ogbolor show on Sunday.
Okay.
You go there available on Sunday.
Very available.
5 p.m. Oh yeah, you will come up.
Okay.
Tombra.
Madam Kasim.
Ma.
I love your show,
What's
guy.
poppin', baby?
I love your swag.
We love you too.
Thunder. Sorry, Thunder.
They don't stop that, you know. Not call my name well. Don't make me vex, so.
Sorry,
I can't shout.
Sorry.
Yes.
I
I want to talk to Easy Beat.
Tombra, don't mind and they do here. For your tickets, just call this number. You dey hear me so?
I dey hear you.
080 252 979 26.
Okay. 080
252 979
26.
99.
No, 979
Okay.
26.
Okay.
So just send text to that number later. Then we will follow you, Yan.
How you go take notes in a Tombra?
From Lagos here, good evening. Princess,
Yes?
how are you?
The hustle is real, no?
Where you dey call from?
Maryland, Lagos.
Okay.
Are you married?
Are you married?
I'm a baby.
Hello?
You don't married?
Princess,
Sorry?
are you married?
No, I'm not.
You sound like who fine, no?
You fine?
You like a fine girl.
Very fine.
Wow.
How you technically say you fine? Wait.
I get me wrong.
Because whenever I tell you, you're beautiful.
My brother, maybe those guys, they don't drink beer now for night.
Lomo.
Sorry, I can't hear you very
Now
well.
for night, in the time you say you fine.
Oh.
She said, I can't hear you well. Naeria again. I can't hear you well. My sister, Princess. You feel like... I forgive her, forgive Princess. Princess.
Yes?
How old are you, Face? Okay, we don't 17 years.
I'm 18.
She doesn't collect things.
It's just 18.
Princess, I'm going to give you the number where you go text to come collect your ticket.
All right.
Okay, so 080.
All right. You go call.
You don't go. Oh yeah, Princess, just in case you see the watch. 080 252
Yes.
979 26. After the show, just follow that number.
He there on that Twitter, sef.
Anyway, double toilet to everybody.
We don't go.
We don't go. Those of you, I beg man, don't forget. Multiple faith.
Yes,
20th, this Sunday.
Yes.
All of us go there. Easy Beat 9 go they play.
Yes,
and that day, all the guests who want love Easy Beat.
Come
that day.
Mona come.
You get a test of Easy Beat.
Ticket 3,000.
Single.
5,000.
Couple.
And 50,000 for table of 8.
Yes.
I beg Mona come support us.
Contribute your money.
Yeah.
Because let's move this ministry to permanent side. And it shall be well with you.
And
with
your
generation.
Let's go.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.